Hello everyone. In this lecture we will present our project where we will use and practice all the previous concepts and introduce new concepts like struct, interface, pointers, and so much more. So the idea of the project is a movie matcher where we will have a user and a list of movies, and actually the project will have five or four methods. The first one, it will create a user and it will return a user with the name and the list of preferred movie categories. And the second one will be our recommendation engine. It will filter of a list of movies and return this that match the user preference or categories preference. The third one, which is print user detail, it will display the user detail and also the preferred categories with the recommended movies. And the fourth one is a save to file. This function will save the user detail and to a file on the local machine. Yeah, we will go step by step and try to implement every function one after the other, and we will try to introduce new concepts as we go. That's it for this lecture.